Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Patricia Century. I'm a mom of 3, happily married, and I live in the UK. I film videos on motherhood, family, marriage, homeschooling, and natural hair. And this video is on homeschooling. So I'm showing you guys my homeschooling setup. So to start off, so this is our living room, and in our living room we've set up this place for them. This mat, if you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen when our daughter was crawling on it. So it's an ABC mat. It's actually a two-way mat. It's very massive. So at the back of it there is numbers, but yeah, another time. And that's her puzzle that she's been doing. We're gonna buy her more. That's a frozen puzzle, so she's like so addicted to doing puzzles right now. So yeah, we'll buy more for her. And this is like a little tunnel. So we got this again, if you've watched our videos you would have seen they got this for Christmas and they love it. I think it's really good for like small world play, you know, their imagination, etc. It's just perfect for them. It's 2 of them. My daughter is very the younger one is very tiny right now. So I'm gonna take you to our kitchen. This is where we've set up for them for their homeschooling. Got these, is it about 24, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, yeah. So we got 24 of them online from Amazon, guys, and it's got alphabet, numbers, addition, multiplication, fractions, shapes, 3D it's got all sorts of stuff. So they really love this, and we found that her just keeping when she keeps seeing the numbers, like she's able to like recognize them more, and then the days of the week and the months and the seasons. She knows what season she was born in, her siblings and us, and she knows what month she was born in. It's really good, guys. I would recommend it. So we've just literally used tack to basically stick them onto the wall. So this is the carpet. This is their mat. We bought this like 2 years ago or so. So that's why you can see it's been used. So they've removed some stuff, but they still love using it, and it's very foamy. So it's very comfortable. So that's why we've put it underneath the table. So this table is like IKEA, but we got it not from IKEA, we got it from eBay with their names on. So what we need to do now, since we have a third one now, is to add her chair over there, or we might have to have another desk, but she's still tiny. And that's an abacus. It's been helping her and him, like counting, recognizing the colors, adding, subtracting, yeah, all that jazz. And that's just her toy car. And over here, this more like our son's, so that's his building blocks. So he loves doing that. That's his building blocks, and his football, what would you call it, LED football. So you turn it on, and yeah, that's how it works. And then this is their bookshelf. It's called a shelf, right? Yeah, it's a bookshelf, and it's also got trays at the bottom, as you can see. So what we do, we put their toys in there, play food, everything is all mixed up, as you can see, because they use this every day, and music, toys, everything in there. So we just let them be free and play basically with everything. And obviously there are books at the top. Yeah, all about me. These are easier books to read because she can read now. Our son too can read a little bit, so these are books for them to read. This is like story time books, and these are books that we get from like Twinkle, like as I was telling you before, guys. So yeah. And then her frozen, she got this for Christmas, if you watched that Christmas video. So you use this to write. Let me just clear it. So you press this to clear it. Let me write the letter A. Yes. So after you've done that, if you want to get rid of it, you press here. Yeah, that's it. So it's just a simple way for them to write without wasting paper once again, and it's really cool because they feel like they are using the tablet. So yeah, guys, so this is our homeschool setup, and obviously the work is not on here, like we keep it in the office, and whenever we need to use it, we bring it down here. So yeah, hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. Until my next video, it's a bye for now.